Hi everyone. Today let us see the study timetable. Here I have drawn the simple study timetable. Okay, let us see it. 4 o'clock to 4:15 a.m. Yes, we have to get up early in the morning. So it is very fresh time to get up. The 4 o'clock of morning a.m. it is very good time to focus on the studies. Able to remember the things is set in your mind. So 4 o'clock to 4:15 a.m. wake up and do your daily morning routine work. When you wake up, brush your teeth. Yes, drink 1 glass of warm water so that you are able to sit and study. 4:15 to 5 o'clock a.m. study the hard subject. For example, maths and physics, chemistry, biology, or for the school students science subjects, isn't it, the social, you may feel hard. Okay, study, because morning time is very fresh time to study. It will easily catch up the things in the morning. And when you are studying, please write it down. What are you studying? Please write it down on the paper so that you are able to remember in your mind and imagine the things. What are you studying? The concept, the subject. What is that? The subject particular, the physics. Physics has the instruments. Please imagine the instrument and understand what it is. Then only you are able to remember it. The 3 steps while learning: don't shout. Your voice must be slow, and write it down and imagine so that you are able to remember easily. Okay, these 3 steps while studying you have to do it. 5 o'clock to 5:20 break. After studying you need a break, isn't it? Have some dry fruits or a glass of milk so that you get the energy, isn't it? After studying you feel hungry, you need some energy, isn't it? 5:20 to 6 o'clock a.m. study any language. Whenever you are studying the subjects, after the subject you have to choose the language, isn't it? After studying the hard subject, take easy language. Languages are very easy, isn't it? You will be interested to study. After the hard subject, when you learn the easy languages, you are fresh enough. You don't get bored. Studying too much we will get bored, isn't it? So we have to study with the interesting. After studying the subject, choose the language so that your studies become very interested. It is easy to catch up, isn't it? Yes. 6 o'clock to 6:10 a.m. take a shower. Bathing daily is a good habit. You have to be healthy, isn't it? You have to take care of yourself also. You have to be clean and tidy. So bathing is very important. 6:10 to 6:30 a.m. prayer. Pray to the creator of the earth which you believe. Okay? Yes, everyone have to be pray. Be strong enough to study. You can focus. You can able to study. So that how much you work hard, you need a support, isn't it? You need a support of the creator of the earth. So praying is a very good habit. In Muslims, we perform 5 times of prayer, isn't it? To remind you, I have written. They forgot to pray, isn't it? Prayer gives us the strength, the peace. 6:30 to 7:15 a.m. revise what you have studied earlier. Please revise or do some activities which active your mind. Okay, or homework. What is your pending work? Isn't it about colleges, school? The schools and colleges gives the daily homework, isn't it? So complete your homework or revise or do the activity. Okay. 7:15 to 8 o'clock a.m. breakfast. Get ready to your school or colleges. Okay. 8 o'clock to 4 o'clock p.m. school and college time. Here are the different timings of school and colleges. I cannot write the particular time of the one school or two schools, isn't it? I have given your time for the school. The different school timings are different, isn't it? Okay. After coming from school or college, 4 o'clock to 4:15 p.m., relax, eat some fresh fruit so that the whole day you have worked. You need a relaxation. In the school also you have worked, isn't it? Yes, you need a relaxation. Have some fruit so that you get energy. Keeping the healthy habits, your body also will be healthy and you will be strong enough to study, to do the activities, to do the things. 4:15 to 6:30 p.m. tuition classes or project or game. Some may go for tuition classes, or if you don't go for tuition classes, have some games, some interesting games, the outdoor games, the indoor games, two active games. Playing outdoor games, it's fit for you. It keeps your body healthy, your mind fresh, so that you can pick up the studies easily. Or projects, what your school and colleges have given project, do that projects in this time, okay? 6:30, after coming from tuition, 6:30 to 6:45, break, have some relax, okay? Break, take a break, okay? 6:45 to 7:30 p.m. study any subject, okay? Take any subject and sit for study. While studying, you have to write, imagine, and slow voice of studying. 7:30 to 8:15 p.m. study languages. After the subject, take the languages. It will be interested to study. After studying the subject, you choose any subject, it will become bore. To study for a longer time, you will feel bore enough, isn't it? So after this subject, choose the language so you feel better to study. You will get interesting in studying and you will be fresh enough. 8:15 to 9 o'clock, have dinner and go to sleep. Yes, as early you sleep, as early you wake up. You have to wake up at 4 o'clock, isn't it? You have to sleep at 9 p.m. So, sleep early as possible as, and wake up early in the morning, then you will be fresh enough. Don't study at night, okay? Studying at night, you are unable to concentrate in your studies. You are unable to focus. You are unable to remember the things, isn't it? The morning time is very fresh time to remember the things what you have studied. During sleeping, your brain is receiving all the information that you have done in a day. So, you have to sleep when you are relaxed, your brain is working. It cleans all the toxic material from your brain so that you are fresh enough when you wake up. So, this is a simple timetable for your studies. If you like this timetable, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.